Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi! This is to say thank you to my members. And some good news, I'm on the Fluid Art Express as a guest. Thank you, Darren and Kaylene and everybody else who's on this express, because I'm chuffed to bits. And no, I'm not doing a fluid art because mine are poop. So I'm doing a painting instead. I've done a little quick doodle on my pad, and I'm gonna kind of paint draw from that doodle. It will change as I go through it because, well, it adapts as my brain decides to adapt. I haven't sealed my wood because there's a reason for that, because I'm putting on my paint quite thick, quite dry for my background, because I'm going to use some water to merge it all together. Now, when I was asked to come on as a guest, I was like, oh God, what do I do? Oh my God, what do I do? And then I thought, oh, it's Christmas, so let's do something Christmassy. And then I thought, but what Christmassy? I can't keep doing Grinch. I love the Grinch, but, you know, I can't keep doing Grinch. People will get bored of me. I will never get bored of the Grinch, because I love him. I am him. So I thought something cute, maybe. Something quite cartoony, but not a copy. My kind of daft cartoony things. Now I'm going down in blue, light blue, dark blue, purple, and I think I'll go green. See, I'm doing a voiceover, and this was last week, or maybe the week before when I did it. Actually, I did it the night he asked me. I just threw it on some wood and just went with it. I need a new Lazy Susan. This one's absolutely poop. It does not go round like I want it to, because I do want to keep doing fluid art, but this does not spin properly. It's a bit old and rickety feeling, a bit like my bones really, but yeah, it's not good enough for that, but it's good enough for this, definitely. So I'm using my makeup brush to soften the colours. I don't have any fancy brushes. It's pointless with me because I will ruin them. I ruin all my brushes because I don't do what you're supposed to do with them. I can't help it, it's just me. So I buy all cheap. So I've smushed all that in, and I also went over with some water. I just didn't record that bit, just to give it a more softer feel. And now I'm going in, putting in my sort of trees. I'm going in with the background first, so it's black basically, just black, to make the trees look like shadows. And that little creature does get changed. I don't like it. I paint it and I don't like it, so I change it. Now these are the background trees, and the ones that are like hanging above him. It's sort of like the shadows. They're in the shadows, that's it. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I have a vague idea in my head of what these trees are going to look like. They're going to be Christmas trees, but in a forest. So the forest animals are having a party, basically. And I'm painting all the other trees in black because I'm going to go over the top with some colour. Not all of them, and not much colour, just enough to give the hint of trees, give the illusion. And there will be a little bit of snow, but not a lot, because otherwise I'll just lose the trees underneath it all. The ones right at the back need to be darker because they're further away, and shorter to give you that distance. Now, I made that one a bit too watery, and it's spread into my wood. If I'd have sealed my wood, that wouldn't have happened. But it kind of made a happy accident, because I quite like it. Now, I am doing thinner trees in the background to give the hint of taller trees. None of this is realistic, obviously. It's all a hint of. It's whimsical, animated, not animated because they're not moving, you fairy. Yeah, that's me telling myself off on mic. Do apologise. So yeah, they're very whimsical. It's a very whimsical picture. Now, question, do I have this as a table centerpiece to look at, or do I drill some holes in the top and have a chain so it hangs on the wall? Because I can't make my mind up what to do. So please leave that in the comments. Do I hang it, or do I put it on a table? Oh, or do I put it on one of them plate stands? Yeah, there you go. I've got 3 options for you there. And I've finished my black, and now I'm putting on some green, a dark green though. So I've added more black than green, because I want to build it up. You can't see much of it because of the light. The light's been a numpty, and I'd already tried to raise it off the table just to take some of that flash off. I have lights, but the one I've got that I really like, if I want it on, it blinds me. So I have to use the other one that I can dip, but you see it more. It's a pain. But I'm going to go in with several different greens, and I'm just going to either add less and less black, or add a little lighter green and mix them in that way, I mean. So I just want to say again, thank you very much for having me as a guest on here, and Darren is up next, followed by, I can't remember, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I did have it written down, but of course I've lost that piece of paper. Go me. There is some really good artists, and I mean really good artists, which is why I haven't done fluid art, because I'd let them down and I didn't want to do that. I mean, this is not brilliant, but I like it. It's cute. And that paint's drying up. I'm using Dale & Roney paints, acrylic paints, but that one I was given years ago, and I found them out again, and most of them still work. So don't throw anything away that's old just because it's old. You can still use it. That one's just been left with lid off a little bit too long, so it's hardened up a bit, but there's still life in it. So now, obviously, because I'm a professional, I'm painting underneath the camera, and it'll keep sliding down and it'll keep disappearing, but it's just green at the minute. I'm just putting some foliage in. It's a big word for me tonight. I'm not usually on a Sunday, so I'm quite impressed that I've managed to remember that I need to do it for Sunday and not a Saturday. And this is where I'm just going to start putting a little bit of a different tone and highlights. Now, I painted that little creature. It was supposed to be like some sort of yeti. Nah, don't like him. He's just too bland, boring, flat. So ignore the fact he's sat there staring at you. He will change. He will become a bear with a hat. I don't know why I put him a hat on. Bears don't need hats, but this one's getting cold, it's snowing. So I'm putting my snow on, but I'm not putting it on all of the tree, just where it would land on the branches at the bottom. Because you'd never find snow underneath the branches. It would always be on the ends. Unless, of course, it snowed that much that the tree's covered in snow and you can't see trees. But daft me decided to paint this white after I'd done the green foliage. Because that's the brightest thing to do, isn't it? Nope. But luckily I've got enough tiny brushes to go through and just paint it all in. And I do want some sort of sparkle on here. It needs sparkle. But I won't do that till right at the end, because this will get varnished. And I put 2 coats of varnish on it, I think. I did put 2 coats on, yes. Because I had to put it somewhere where the cats wouldn't sit on it, because they like wood, and if they'd found it, they would have sat on it, and they would have had sticky bottoms. So yeah, I had to put it up high. Luckily, I remembered I'd put it up high and not forgot all about it. Ah dear. When you get to a certain age, your memory just disappears. But, like I said, I don't like this. It's too cute and flat, so I'm painting around it, but when it comes back again, I think it's painted into something else. I can't remember if I actually put it on camera or not. So now I'm putting some white on this tree, but there will be more added to it in the pictures, because I kept looking at it thinking it needs something else, and it needed lights. I don't mean actual real lights, because that would have meant drilling and gluing and being a pain in the bum. So I painted some lights, some string lights on.
In Candyland at Christmas time, Queen Babs looks upon her tree, listen to sweet melodies, snowflakes fall so magically, houses glow with warmth and love, children laugh and play above, candy canes and cocoa dreams, it's a holiday supreme. Twinkling lights and sugar trees, joyful faces on the streets, Queen Bab sings her favorite songs, in the land where love belongs. Snowmen stand in perfect rows, candy roofs where snowflakes blow, every heart feels so alive, in this wonderland we thrive. Twinkling lights and sugar trees, joyful faces on the streets, Queen Bab sings her favorite songs, in the land where love belongs. Every day a gift unwrapped, moments that we can't forget, magic fills the frosty air, let's all celebrate and share. Every day a gift unwrapped, moments that we can't forget, magic fills the frosty air, let's all celebrate and share. Twinkling lights and sugar trees, joyful faces on the streets, Queen Bab sings her favorite songs, in the land where love belongs. Every day a gift unwrapped, moments that we can't forget, magic fills the frosty air, let's all celebrate and share. Oh twinkle tree, how bright you glow, with colored lights in perfect rows, baubles and canes and presents so grand, adornments hanging by your hand, stars above can't match your gleam, shining like a festive dream, wrapped in sparkly silver tinsels, bringing joy without credentials. Jingle bells are ringing so loud, voices singing in the crowd, underneath the twinkle tree, magic made for you and me. Garlands wrapped around your branches, every twinkle light enhances, candy canes on every stem, holiday holiday's true little gem. Jingle bells, they ring so loud, voices singing in the crowd. Underneath the twinkle tree, magic made for you and me.
So I'm going in with the detail now. Just painting the red hat and giving him a little red nose and making sure he's got his features because he needs a face. And his feet look like hands, so he's a cross between a bear and a yeti, I've just decided. He's a whimsical Bieti. There we go, he's a Bieti. I've never heard of a Bieti, but now he exists. So he's going to be a little bit cute in the snow with all the lights twinkling. And yeah, look, his feet look like hands, so yeah, he's a bear yeti. Or a yetiba. Yetiba? Oh, I like that. I'm not sure which one I like best. A bear yeti or a yetiba? You decide. You tell me what you like. Is it yetiba or bear yeti? Oh dear. I think I've gone mad. I've slightly gone mad, yeah. The pictures will do what I'm doing justice. Because like I said, I kept staring at it and thinking, it needs this, it needs that. And I wasn't recording at the time. So I hope you like the pictures. And I just want to say another big thanks to Venom Art Express peoples. You're all absolutely fantastic. And I do try and get to see you as much as I possibly can because I think you're absolutely brilliant. Do I learn anything? No. Am I always gobsmacked when I see what you've done? Yes. Absolutely, because how you magicians do that is just wow. Because I can't. Oh dear, if I could actually physically learn things properly, then I could probably try and attempt it, but no, you are fantastic. And I hope this is okay and hope you enjoyed what I've done. And to everyone else, I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment would be great. If you've watched to the end, that's even more fantastic because that's what we all need, is the watch hours. And you're probably thinking 20 minutes is not a lot of watch hours, but when a few people have watched it, that's brilliant. But when there's not many people, we get nothing. Yes, I did put an F in nothing. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, it's all free. Hype if you can. I've been able to hype at least 2 people so far. It only shows up now and again. So I hope you've enjoyed this. And I shall leave you to watch me finishing off. And I shall see you all at my usual time slots, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And please follow everyone else in the playlist below. There is some awesome stuff going on. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Sings her favorite songs in the land where love belongs. Snowmen stand in perfect rows, candy roofs where snowflakes blow. Every heart feels so alive. In this wonderland we thrive. Twinkling